Hi, and welcome to How to Use the WBT. Today's training is the Burst Capture application.
Why burst capture? It's ideal for the capture of short, bursty signals like push-to-talk radio, short transmissions, interference noise, or a signal you would have missed otherwise. You can monitor the RF spectrum and record a conversation after you hear it. You can look back up to 10 minutes ago and keep it all when you hit the Save Buffer button.
Your prerequisites here are on YouTube, QRC Technologies channel. You might want to check out the WBT Quick Start and Basic Operations videos, and also how to load an app file in the WBT. So let's get ready for a capture. Stop the recording so that the WBT is in the preview mode with the yellow FFT display. Set the system tuner configuration, select the app space, activate the Burst Capture app, and open it to view it.
We're going to use the family radio service as the bursty signal simulation for this demo.
So I've set the configuration of the tuner for 462 megahertz with a 3 megahertz span. Notice that you're going to stop the recording of the WBT so that it's in the preview mode as shown. You want to set the system tuner configuration. I've turned off one tuner, just left tuner A in play, and set it at 462 megahertz with a 3.125 megahertz span. So to start the app, you select the app space. Here's the Burst Capture app. Select that. Select the Activate button. It tells you to wait for a second. You can see the app is activated by the green box here. Then you can hit the Open button to see the app in its loaded state. This is the app space area. The app has to fit inside this area. Now, you might want to set a different buffering time. I think 20 seconds is sufficient for this demo. So the buffer is only 20 seconds long. Note the automatic file name. So all you have to do here is hit the Start Buffering button and you'll see the buffering is working. Of course, it's actually ready to go at this point. I've switched back with the back arrow button. Now I'm watching the span that I'm interested in, and I'm just going to push the walkie-talkie here and start transmitting. You can see my signal is being recorded at this point. And let's say that you had several bursty signals coming forward. Oh, here's the guy pressing the return. Now they're talking back to each other. And if you wanted to record that whole conversation that you might have missed, just use the arrow key, come back over here, hit the Save Buffer button, and I've automatically got an extra 10 seconds, so I could actually talk even in here, and that last little bit will still be recorded as well because the recording is still taking place and buffering is still happening. Now, I hit the stop button, and I got that last talk in that 10-second time period. And when it's finished finalizing, down here it tells you the name of the file that it's created. It stopped the buffering. App is ready to run again. It'll sit here and do this all day every time you hit the Save button. So I've now stopped. I go up and hit the Data File button, and here's my Burst Capture. The other features of the app are described on the Usage tab. There's all the details, and a way to clean up the temporary files that are used by the program. That's all for today. Thanks for stopping by.